That's where I've seen my concert from before.
Just having fun on their bikes. Look at all these kids, all these people having fun on their bikes. All of them. They're having fun. There's some little kids on there too. Playground. Is this a playground? Looks like a little playground maybe. Doing wheelies.
Yeah, they've had this one. I like
There's a lot of bikes, so we might want to stay on the side of the path. There's people swimming too. Crazy. It's cold in there. It's AstroTurf. Kind of weird.
People love her because she gives them.
No, I wasn't. We moved like an EQ, a single EQ, but that's it. And then the rest of it.
I saw it yesterday. It's very dusty.
She's ready for anything. It's a concert and ride the bikes and have a good time, right? Wow, look at that wall. That's pretty crazy. Let's keep that wall.
Bikes, music, beer.
Some cameras? No, that's not too weird. That's what it is. You just stand right there for a second, get that camera right. Focus for me. The Yonder Mountain Band can play, man. I mean, like, oh, he's on an ATV kind of thing, right? Did you see what it was? It's got 4 wheels.
4 wheels.
Yeah, that's cool. This is where you can see all the things. Keep dancing, boy.
Look at them. I think they're fighting, actually.
I don't think so. I love this place. My God, dude. The sound is great, huh?